Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect PS5 controller to Android with Bluetooth. So you can connect your PS5 DualSense controller to Android using the Bluetooth by following this simple step. And let's get started, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do is to turn on Bluetooth on your Android device. So to do that, just open your settings, then click on Bluetooth, then turn it on. Then on your PS5 controller, put it in your press and hold the PlayStation button and the creation button, which is next to the D-pad, at the same time. Then keep the holding until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. Then after that, in Bluetooth settings, look for the wireless controller, then tap on it to pair. Then once connected, the light on the controller will stay on. Then open a game that supports controller and check if it works perfectly. And that's a simple step by step on how to connect PS5 controller to Android with Bluetooth. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.